Meaning of homeopath.
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 Homeopath. A homeopath is a practitioner of alternative medicine who believes in the principle of treating disorders using highly diluted substances that produce similar symptoms to the disorder. Homeopathy considers that the body has the ability to heal itself, and therefore, aims to stimulate the natural healing process. The use of remedies made from natural substances, including plants and minerals, is a crucial component of this practice. While there is some controversy surrounding the effectiveness of homeopathic treatments, its proponents argue that it can be a safe and effective alternative to conventional medicine.